Hello, welcome back to Light Recipes. Today we are going to make kottu with 3 vegetables. For that, take 1 snake gourd called podalangai, 1 carrot, 50 grams of beans, 2 green chilies, few small onions, salt, jeera, ghee, curry leaf, channa dal called as kadalaparuppu. So now chop all the 3 vegetables, carrot, beans and snake gourd. I have taken 50 grams of pasi paruppu called as moong dal. Pour 200 ml of water and pressure cook it. Then add the chopped vegetables in the pressure cooked dal. Add 2 chopped green chilies, small onions. Add 100 ml of water, required amount of salt, kadalaparuppu called as channa dal, when you mix it, the consistency should be like this. Close the cooker and keep it for 1 whistle. See, now it is cooked. Now add jeera, ghee, curry leaves, mix it well. Now kottu is ready, you can transfer to vessel. This is a healthy lunch recipe for rice.